Hi everyone, this is Adonis Anastasio and I'm your digital marketing coach. In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 tips on how to make more money online. But first, let me tell you what I have found when I was researching Google and YouTube on how to make money online. Well, if you go and search Google and YouTube, you're going to find that most of the articles out there and most of the videos, they're talking about side hustles. For example, they are showing you how to do a job on the side, to get some money online. Well, for those who really want to get more money, so they start making money, they want to get more money online, they have to stop looking at making money as a side hustle. So if you really want to get some serious money, you have to get serious about making money online, okay? And you can check it out. I mean, everybody's talking about, watching videos and get paid like €5 or using a specific app or any kind of BS side hustles that most probably you're gonna waste your time, you're gonna get bored with it, and you're gonna stop making money online. So if you haven't watched my first video, how to start making money online, you have to search and watch it. You can search with how to start making money online, Adonis Anastasio. Now in this video, as I said, I'm going to tell you how to make more money online. And the first tip is that you have to stop looking at making money online as a side hustle, okay? So forget about making €5 here, €5 there. Now the second thing is that you have to focus on making money online, because where you focus, energy flows. So when you focus on really making money online, you're gonna start finding things to improve your online business. And you have to start looking at it as a real business if you want to make more money. So instead of viewing it as a side hustle, you have to make your online business your primary business. It's when you focus all your energy, all your strengths, all your effort, your advertising budget, that's when you're going to see an increase in your sales. You're going to see an increase in making more money. A lot of people, they're talking about making more money, but that they are not serious about it. They are not totally committed on making money online. That's why they are not making a lot or more money online. So the second tip, as I said, you have to focus and make it your primary business, okay? Now, my third tip is that you have to increase your advertising budget. So if you're making money, but you see like you reach a plateau, in order to get that extra boost on making more money, you have to give more money. So start spending more money on advertising, especially on Facebook, Google, and all those media that generates money, that you actually found that you're making money. So start spending money only on the media that you're making money. So now you have to make better advertisements. You have to make better, you have to take better actions and more focus. And you have to be more specific on your advertisement, and you have to have a clear persona of your potential customer. And also you have to be more focused on the line of product or services that you're providing, instead of browsing around and finding different products and services and wasting your time. So more focus on making money online and spend money on the things, on the media that actually prove to you, okay, you have seen that you have a return on that investment. Now, my fourth tip is that you have to post on more social media. Some people, they are focused only on Facebook, or some people are only focused on Instagram, some people on YouTube. So start expanding your audience, because there are people, potential customers everywhere. It doesn't mean that because you're selling women's clothes or women's accessories, you're only going to promote it on Instagram. There are women on Facebook, there are women on YouTube, there are women searching and clicking on Google Ads. So expand the number of social media that you're using. That's my fourth tip. My fifth tip is that you have to post more often on social media. So for example, if you're posting one every couple of days, then post every day. If you're posting one every day, then post twice a day. If you're posting twice, then post 4 times every day. The maximum is around 4 times per day. So post in more social media, but also post more often. And of course, create more videos, more live streaming and stuff like that. My sixth tip is that you have to have products and services with higher cost. Some people usually start with small products or products and services with low cost, like 25 euros, 50 euros, 30 euros, but you're not going to make a lot of money. You have to get products, you have to start selling products that are 100 euros, 200 euros, or $100, $200, 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000. That's how you make more money. Because as I said, this video is not about just making some money online. It's about how to make more money online. Okay, so you have to start selling, promoting products and services that have higher cost. Tip number 7, improve your products. So if it's your product, if it's your services, improve your product. Improve your services. Because if you improve your product or services and you make them better, then you can charge more and then you can make more money. So have a look of your services and find ways to improve them and actually increase the value, increase the benefits that your customer are going to get out of it. So for example, think, what else shall I include in my service so that I increase my price? So people can still get, the 50 euro service, but if they want this and this and that, they can pay me 100 euros for that specific service or that specific product because it has all those additions to it. My final tip is that get help from professionals. So if you really want to go to a pro level, you have to find and learn from the pros. So if you want to learn more tips on how to increase your sales online, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below, and let me see you at the next video. Thank you so much for watching.